Hey everyone, my name is Esi and I live in a 400 square foot apartment in downtown Brooklyn. This here is Turkey, full name Turkey Turkleton Agbemenu. He is my lovely pup that I adopted just recently. Oh, there you go, Posta. The vibe for my home is something that reflects my personality. I wanted a space that was bold and colorful, a little bit quirky, just a space that I could come home to and would really feel uniquely me. I was able to get the space to pretty much where I wanted it to be aesthetically, but I had some last details that I just couldn't quite do on my own. I could not decide on paint colors to save my life. So I turned to an online interior designer through a company called Havenly, which is fantastic because you work with your designer entirely just through their website. Shout out to Sierra Glasgow, my Havenly designer, because she was fantastic. We've got the blue couch, which is really what the whole space was designed around. We've got the array of pillows. This one in particular, fave, love an animal print, love a pillow. The bar cart for me was really that piece that says adult apartment. I don't know if that's true, but that's definitely what I was trying to communicate. So here I've got a planter that I turned upside down. Sometimes it serves as a little bit of a table for books. Turn it back right side up, fill it with ice, and it's a beer bucket. So multifunctional. I'm Ghanaian, and as I was building the space, it had so much of me in it, but it didn't have that cultural element that's really important to me. I have my ukuleles up on the wall, which are just a wonderful way to keep my hobbies right in my space. One weekend, I walked out of my apartment and there was a whole African fair going on. I found some fantastic fans that remind me a lot of my childhood. I like to bring in little things that connect to who I am and what I enjoy doing. All right, so this is my pride and joy in the apartment. This is my shoe wall. So up here, we've got these glittery ones. I call them my glitter blocks because you're wearing blocks of glitter on your feet and it's fantastic. Up here, we have the Christian Louboutins. When I moved to New York, my parents, for my birthday, got me a ticket to the New Yorker Festival, and Christian Louboutin was giving a talk. At the end of the talk, I went up to him and said, "Would you sign my shoes?" So he very kindly did, and now I've got what really are more an art piece almost for me now than a pair of shoes, but they really add to the shoe wall. To me, home is a place where you come back and you feel at peace. I spend far more hours out of this apartment than I would like to, at work and running around. So when I come home, I want to be in a space that feels like a reflection of myself. Don't get too caught up in what your space is supposed to look like or what it means to have a cohesive aesthetic. Just go after pieces that make you excited and make you happy and that you want to have in your space.